Hello and welcome to Gathered Makes. In this video we're going to show you how to make a DIY origami cat. For this project, all you will need is 2 sheets of origami paper at 15 by 15 centimeters and a black pen and a gold pen. Firstly, you'll need to fold the paper in half to make a triangle. When you're folding, make sure your folds are nice and defined. You can use your fingernail. Fold the paper in half again. Unfold your paper so you're back to the original square that you started with, and take the top corner and fold it down to the middle crease. Once you've done that, fold that top part down to the middle fold, so you'll find it folds quite easily in the middle. Once you've done that, you can fold each corner into the middle section. As you're folding this, you'll see that it's making a square. Now you'll need to fold each corner outwards so it's pointing out above the side of the square. For context, this will make the points of your ears. Do the same with the other side so it's symmetrical, and make sure your folds are nice and defined. Now you can take the topmost point between the ears and fold it down to the centre of the square. This will create the top of the head of your cat. Flip the cat's head over, and the next step is taking the bottom point and folding it up about halfway. This will create the nose and mouth. To create the nose, pull down a small triangle from the fold you've just created and fold that in place. Now you've finished the cat's head, we're going to move on to the body. So take your other sheet of origami paper and fold it into a triangle, like exactly what we did on the last one. You can unfold your triangle and you'll be folding in the outer corners to the middle. So take that outer corner and line it up with the middle line on one side, and then do exactly the same on the opposite side, so you've got a nice symmetrical fold. Then you will need to fold your paper in half down that middle line. Place your paper on the table facing downwards so that the open gap is at the bottom. Then you'll need to fold a triangle inwards towards the body, and then fold the body back over the triangle you've just folded to create some defined folds. You can then unfold it to your original triangle shape. You will then need to slide your fingers between the folds and lift out the fold of the tail, pushing it flat against the body. Once you've done this, fold the tail up towards the body. You can then fold the tail outwards to the right hand side, and this will create your body. If you want to pull the tail out a little bit, you can, depending on the style that you like. That should stand up for you then, ready to place the head on. Before you assemble your cat, this is the time to add some detailing. Here I just wanted to add some eyes, a nose and some whiskers with the black pen. And with the gold pen I just added some detailing on the ears, but it's really up to you what you do in this stage and how spooky you'd like your cat to look. And the last step is to assemble your cap. This part's really easy. You can just fold up the fold you've made behind the head, and you just push the body up into the head, and that should secure itself without the need of any glue.